I am so excited to share a little piece of who I am through the incredible styles I've found at PhilippinesBrands.com. At PhilippinesBrands.com, I've discovered more than just clothes. I've found a canvas for self-expression, a mirror reflecting my unique personality. From casual chic to bold statements, PhilippinesBrands.com caters to every side of me. It's not just about the clothes, it's about how they empower me to be authentically myself. Their collections are like treasure troves of styles that resonate with my spirit. And the best part? It's also affordable without compromising on quality. Whether I'm jetting off on an adventure or simply strolling through the city, PhilippinesBrands.com has the perfect outfit for every occasion. It's like my personal style companion. And let's talk about quality. Each piece is crafted with precision, making me feel not just stylish, but also comfortable in my own skin. When I wear PhilippinesBrands.com, it's more than just fashion. It's a statement that says, I embrace who I am, and I do it with style. Because here's the thing, fashion is not just about what you wear, it's about how it makes you feel. And PhilippinesBrands.com has a way of making me feel absolutely fabulous. So, here's to self-expression, confidence, and embracing our unique selves. Join me on this style journey at PhilippinesBrands.com, where fashion meets affordability and authenticity.